In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a side plank, but we're going to be doing the regression of a full side plank, which is a side plank on your knees. So this is a fantastic exercise for those looking to build up to that full side plank variation and start to get some strength in the lower back, the core, and also your obliques as well. Now, the first thing I want you to do is start off in a side lying position. So start off in a side lying position, and what you're going to do is bring your elbow directly underneath your shoulder. From here, make sure that your knees are at 90, and I would know right now that I'm in the wrong position because my knees are too far forwards. I'm looking down at my body and I'm seeing my knees. They're not in line with my shoulder. They're more in line with my wrist at the moment. So I've got to bring those knees back into a position where now I'm looking and seeing that they're in line with the shoulder. The hips are going to come directly up towards the ceiling. I've got my feet on top of each other. And when I do the exercise, I want to make sure that I'm extending, I'm nice and straight through the back, and I'm not flexing. I'm not going to be in a position where my hips are going to roll forwards during the exercise. So chest up, looking forwards. I can have my hands on my hips or above my shoulder. And from here, I come directly up. Again, make sure the hips aren't coming too far forwards or too far back. And you're just going to hold that set position for your desired amount of seconds. You can also come into a position, if you're somebody that's prone to coming too far forwards with the chest, of bringing that hand up above the shoulder, and that also brings the chest nice and high, which is a nice cue for a lot of beginners when doing this exercise. Of course, you'd repeat exactly the same on the other side for your desired amount of sets and seconds.